Hey, good morning everybody. Technically it's the afternoon, it's 3 in the afternoon, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful girl. Smith & Wesson ar-15 Sport 2 semi-automatic sporting rifle. For all you liberal monkey fuckers out there, this is not an assault rifle. It is a single shot per trigger pull sport rifle. Comes with a trigger lock, magazine, but I bought 2 spares because you never can have too many magazines. Sorted paperwork, the stupid 10 round rule for California, got your forward assist, adjustable stock. I believe it's 3 to 5 click settings. It's got the rear sight apertures. I can remember how to do it. There we go. Stock is obviously, or not stock, but the front sight is stationary. Your magazine well. Selector switch for safety are on. It's unsafe right now. You have to flick it up to fire, but you can only move that after it's a round has been chambered. This ring pulls back so you can take this piece off because it's interchangeable. It's nice rifle. If I remember correctly, got these pins right here. Yeah, there's not one to come out because it's brand new. Don't want to force it. But anyhow, there she is. I will be going to the range probably in a few weeks. I've got some vacation time at work. So, greatness, my friends. Okay, I got that pin out. It just pops out. Do not take it out all the way. Leave the front pin in unless you just want to completely remove the upper assembly. Now I ordered this from the Wish app. I don't know if it's in focus or not, but bought this aftermarket charging handle and I wanted to install it. I figured I'd do it while I was here. Let's see, Mr. Bolt. To doing it from this angle. There we go. Just like that, the weapon is whole again. You can't see the damn Punisher symbol. I'm probably going to move that forward just so you can see the symbol. But yeah, she works just good. just in case you guys was wondering what this is, I call it a bolt block. This is when you take it into like a store, a gun store, they'll see this orange handle sticking out, thus knowing that one of these is in there and proving to them that the weapon is in fact unloaded, or at least a round is not chambered. Alright guys, these are my NATO 5.56 rounds. Got a total of 120. I already have 2 mags loaded. For this demonstration, I'm going to use an empty magazine. Anybody who knows anything knows how to load a magazine, but some people to this day don't know. So just really quickly, hold your firearm so that the barrel is pointed in a safe direction. Take your magazine. You will see a picture denoting which way the round faces. That's how you tell, obviously, you're not stupid. Magazine, give her a tap. And once you exhaust the magazine, it has a release on this side. Just hit that button, mag pops out, take another mag, you smack it in, the bolt will be locked in the rear position, and then you just hit your slide release, which I believe is this one. Haven't had one of these in a while, but yeah, let's drop this mag, pointing right at you. When you've exhausted the rounds, that'll lock in place. Pop your new magazine in this case, the empty one. Just like that, you're locked and loaded and ready to fight again. Now, I've already showed you 2 or 3 times that this magazine is empty, but I am stupid safe now. So before I pull that trigger to get the pin down, I'm going to visually inspect that to make sure that there's not a round in the chamber. Just like that. God, I can't wait to go to the range. Alright, y'all have a good day. This is Low Tech Redneck. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see if I can get some footage today I shoot it for the first time. Oh, you've probably seen this before, but that's my concealed carry. Smith & Wesson SD9BE. Always be safe.